Welcome back to Auto Garage, where we don't just talk about cars, we imagine the future on four wheels. Today, we're diving into one of the most insane automotive concepts you can picture for 2026. Imagine the raw muscle of a Ford Mustang, the toughness of an off-road truck, and a futuristic design that looks straight out of a sci-fi movie. Yes, we're talking about the 2026 Ford Mustang off-road pickup truck concept, a machine that completely rewrites the rules. At first glance, this beast doesn't ask for attention, it demands it. The aggressive stance, the wide body, and that unmistakable Mustang DNA instantly tell you this is no ordinary pickup. The iconic Mustang grille sits proudly at the front, reimagined with sharp LED accents and an armored look that feels ready for both city streets and wild terrains. The shiny metallic graphite black paint reflects light like liquid metal, giving it a premium yet menacing presence. This concept blends performance and utility in a way we've never seen before. The hood is muscular and sculpted, with functional vents that hint at serious power underneath. Massive all-terrain tires wrap around deep dish wheels, giving the truck an unstoppable look. The lifted suspension isn't just for show, it's built to handle mud, rocks, sand, and everything in between. Whether you're crawling over mountains or cruising through neon-lit city roads, this truck looks perfectly at home. From the side, the design becomes even more dramatic. Wide fender flares stretch outward, emphasizing the extreme stance. The body lines are sharp and futuristic, almost cyberpunk in character. Underneath, exposed performance components and a visible exhaust system remind you that this is a performance-first machine. It's a pickup truck, yes, but one with the soul of a muscle car. Now let's talk about the rear. Wide, aggressive, and unapologetically bold. The taillights are sleek and modern, matching the futuristic theme. The rear bumper is reinforced, hinting at serious towing and off-road capability. This isn't just a truck that looks tough, it's designed to back it up. Inside, although still a concept, you can imagine a cabin that matches the exterior attitude. A driver-focused cockpit, digital displays, performance-inspired steering wheel, and rugged materials mixed with premium finishes. Think luxury meets adrenaline. This is the kind of interior that makes you feel in control whether you're navigating rocky trails or blasting down an open highway. Under the hood, while official specs aren't confirmed, a 2026 Ford Mustang off-road pickup truck would likely feature a high-output hybrid or twin-turbo V6 or V8 setup. Instant torque, massive horsepower, and advanced all-wheel drive technology would make this truck as fast as it is capable. Pair that with multiple drive modes for sand, snow, rock crawling, and sport driving, and you've got a vehicle that adapts to any environment. What makes this concept truly special is what it represents. Automakers are no longer sticking to traditional categories. Muscle cars are becoming electric, trucks are becoming performance machines, and off-road vehicles are getting luxury-level refinement. The 2026 Ford Mustang off-road pickup truck sits right at the center of this evolution. This is the kind of vehicle that speaks to a new generation of car enthusiasts, people who want power, style, and versatility in one package. It's bold, it's futuristic, and it's a clear signal that the future of trucks is anything but boring. So the big question is, would you drive it? Could you see the Mustang name conquering dirt trails instead of drag strips? Let us know what you think in the comments below. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the future of performance trucks, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Auto Garage, and turn on notifications so you never miss what's coming next. Because here at Auto Garage, the future of cars starts now.